McDonald's discontinued their parfaits, but don't worry, I've cracked the code. You can make this exact copycat at home for under $1 and it tastes even better than the original. And unlike the original, you can customize this. If you want to up the protein, add Greek yogurt. So let's go ahead and make the McDonald's fruit and yogurt parfait. All you need is low-fat vanilla yogurt, fresh strawberries and berries, and your favorite granola. And you can see how easy it is to make. Layer in the yogurt, then you're going to add in the fresh fruit, add a little bit more of the yogurt, and then you're going to top with crunchy fresh granola. Meal prep these tonight and you're going to have breakfast for all week or a great back to school breakfast for you. And hey, if you're looking for more great copycat recipes, be sure to come to copycat.com where we have thousands of copycat recipes.